So 2019 has been a crazy year for true wireless earbuds. Many companies, including big brands, small brands, are rushing out there to make the ultimate version of the true wireless earbuds. Many of these earbuds are built for very different type of scenarios and many different types of customers. And today we're taking a look at all these different categories and see which of these earbuds that we reviewed actually are the winners for these categories. So today we're going to do a showdown for 2019's earbuds and see who will be the winner of all of these categories. So stay tuned. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to my channel and leave a thumbs up on this video. Do also let me know down in the comment section where you guys are watching my videos from which country, so I would have a collection of my viewers and know where are you guys actually watching my video from. And with that said, let's take a look at this year's 2019 showdown for the best true wireless earbuds. In a short couple of weeks, we managed to check out some of the internet's most sought after true wireless earbuds. And since it's the end of the year, which of these earbuds should you really consider or even make your list? As Christmas is coming along, some of these earbuds would make a very good Christmas present for your friends and family. So the categories that we're going to take a look at today, number one will be the best bass earbuds. So which of these earbuds will fall under this category? And we also take a look at which earbuds are the best bang for your buck, which of these earbuds are the best all-rounder for everyday carry around earbuds, and lastly, which of these earbuds are the most featured pack and has the overall best performance. And these particular earbud will be crowned the winner of 2019's true wireless earbuds. So let's take a look at some of these earbuds and see how they stack up. So we had the opportunity to look at many different true wireless earbuds for 2019. So one of the very first earbuds that I reviewed was the Edifier TWS1, and these are one of the most value for money, good sounding earbuds, as well as very nicely priced, and was one of the great earbuds that I looked at previously. We also had the opportunity to look at the QCY T2C earbuds, and these has originally one of the earbuds that I thought was a little bit flimsy for its make, but ultimately this became one of my favorite daily drivers. As you can see from the case, it actually took some beating because I use it every day and bring it around with me everywhere I go. We also looked at the i11 as well as the i12 TWS, which promises to be the Apple AirPods clone, but you can also take a look at some of my older videos. Somehow doesn't live up to its name to compete with the Apple AirPods, but definitely is a great replacement or a replica of the Apple AirPods. Another earbuds that I looked at very recently is the JBL Tune 120 TWS, and this has been one of my most successful videos, and a lot of people are actually looking for these particular earbuds. So today we're going to see how this actually stack up to the rest, and we'll do a comparison on that. I also looked at some different earbuds such as the Sabbath E12 Ultra as well as the Halo GT1, and recently I also looked at the king of TWS earbuds in my opinion, and that would be the Sony WF-1000XM3, and these are truly one of the best earbuds you can buy today. So let's take a look at some of the different categories that all of these earbuds actually play in, and we'll announce the winner one by one for each of these categories. So for the first category that we're gonna look at today is the best bass earbuds of 2019, and definitely the winner goes to the JBL Tune 120 TWS. So this is one of the earbuds that come from the box with the word pure bass written on the box, so you definitely know that this JBL promises to deliver outstanding bass in this small package. So the JBL brand has always been a name that people trust for outstanding audio, and their iteration of these true wireless earbuds definitely delivers in that department. The JBL Tune 120 TWS delivers a punchy, satisfying bass that doesn't drown out any mids or highs. So JBL have definitely engineered this to do just that and it does that perfectly well. The only problem I had with this is that it has a pretty steep price tag of around 399 ringgit Malaysia. If you looked around Amazon now, you should be able to find this around 50 US or less. You see, the problem with expensive earbuds is that it's okay to be expensive, but if you have very innovative technology, that would be a very good thing. But the problem is that this earbud doesn't deliver in terms of those innovative technology, so you're not gonna find the latest Bluetooth technology here, and it doesn't have water resistant. And in terms of codec and any of those latest CVC technology, this thing doesn't say that or delivers that as well. And also, you're gonna hear some latency when you watch videos with this. So in terms of the best bass earbuds of 2019, we definitely have to give it to the JBL Tune 120 TWS. And if you get these specific earbuds just for playing music and to enjoy music with great bass, this is definitely the earbuds to go with, and you definitely will not go wrong with this. The next earbuds that we're going to talk about is the earbud that gives you the best bang for your buck in 2019. And that definitely has to go to the QCY T2C earbuds that we've looked at a couple of months ago. So the QCY is a humble Chinese-made earbuds that quietly disguises its performance behind its ultra-low price tag. I was truly and pleasantly surprised when we started using these earbuds. It definitely blew my mind. When it first came, the unit that I ordered, the box was ripped, and you know, when I took it out, I saw that the lid here was a little bit plasticky. I was kind of turned off, like thinking that, hey, this Chinese manufacturing really is not very high quality. The good thing about these earbuds is that it's not its appearance, but what these earbuds can actually deliver. And this delivers amazing sound quality and some of the best sound quality that does not disappoint. So the QCY T2C retails at roughly around 60 to 70 ringgit Malaysia, and it delivers a balanced, well-rounded sound signature. The bass is definitely present, but not ultra deep bass, but enough for many people to actually enjoy music and videos. What I love most about these earbuds, it is ultra low latency design, and this is without exaggeration. I literally can use these earbuds for like gaming on my phone and even video editing. So they don't lag, and they definitely don't disappoint in the department of sound quality. These earbuds, although priced so lowly, also pack a lot of features in it. It comes with Bluetooth 5.0, IPX4 rating, CVC 6.0, and a case that can recharge the buds full 8 times. So that is a lot of battery life that you can bring your earbuds around with. QCY T2C definitely wins the award for the best bang for your buck in 2019. The next category that we're taking a look at is the everyday carry around earbuds. And definitely my winner for this category for the everyday carry around earbuds is the Edifier TWS 1. And this is the earbuds that I bring along with me when I travel for work, just for the simple fact that I may spend a long time in the airport. Before I go onto my flight, I want to use something that would last long, so that when I go onto my flight, I can pull out my active noise cancelling earphones, and that would work the entire flight. For an everyday carry around earbuds that would last me the entire day without me worrying that it will die on me, and not many earbuds today can say that it has an 8-hour battery life, and with a case that recharge that 8 hours battery life for an additional 3 times. So that is almost 24 hours of usage for your earbuds. What I love about this is that the Edifier TWS is very sleek and small in its profile. It doesn't have a lot of bells and whistles on the case itself, but it fits in my pocket and packs a very big battery for me to go about my day. And these earbuds are also decently priced at roughly around 129 ringgit Malaysia, or roughly around US 30. The sound signature of the Edifier TWS 1 is very much on the flatter side. I would say balanced, but you know, still very flat, doesn't have a lot of bass. You don't get too much deep ends out of these unless you tweak your EQs a little bit, but my purpose of using this is actually just to last me throughout the day, and I don't really seek for sound quality when I use these earbuds. Something to take note about these earbuds is that it's quite sensitive to electromagnetic. So from my experience, when I go to places like airports, it often breaks and jumps and loses its connection to your phone when you walk through certain parts of the airport. I believe that is due to the electromagnetic around the airport, so I'm not too sure, but with all the other earphones, I don't feel it, just that only with the Edifier, it happens to me quite a bit. In terms of the winner of the everyday carry around, definitely goes to the Edifier TWS one. And lastly, for the category of best performing earbuds of 2019, and is also my personal winner for the ultimate TWS earbuds for 2019, the king of the hill is the Sony WF-1000XM3. This definitely wins the award for this year because one of the best true wireless active noise cancellation earbuds that I've used, and the Sony WF-1000XM3 is definitely a mouthful, but definitely delivers an earful of goodness. I don't know whether it's the build quality, but somehow when you just hold these earbuds, it is definitely very premium and it feels like $1,000,000. You throw in this great design, this great build quality with active noise cancellation and a whole bunch of high-tech, intelligent app design. This Sony is that rich kid in the class, dresses well, has great looks, gets all the chicks in the class, yet aces all of its exams. So that is how I would describe the Sony WF-1000XM3. The battery life of the Sony is pretty decent, roughly around 6 hours with ANC on and 8 hours without ANC. It uses USB Type-C, which is already a plus point in most people's book. It has the latest Bluetooth technology, the latency is really low. Most importantly, it has that sweet ANC. The thing about the Sony WF-1000XM3 is that it combines the power of passive noise isolation, which is the in-ear earbud design on this one, along with ANC performance, and this definitely makes the cut for one of the best sounding and best built earbuds of 2019. Of course, the earbuds are retail for 949 ringgit Malaysia, or roughly around US 230. This earbuds is definitely not for everyone, but if you're in a market for a true wireless earbuds with ANC that fits in your pocket, then this is definitely the one to go with. That is why Sony wins the spot for the best performance of 2019, and for me, this will be my ultimate earbuds for 2019. So that is it, guys, and those are some of the 4 earbuds of 2019 that I rate them pretty highly, and I think they won some of the categories of this video. So which of these earbuds most interests you? Do let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be leaving some of my affiliate links down in the description box below. And if you're considering getting some of these earbuds for Christmas or for New Year's or for birthdays or whatever occasion, please consider using my affiliate links down below. It would definitely help out the channel a bit. So once again, thank you for watching this video, and if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to it now, and I'll see you in my next video.